a follow-up letter that's fairly detailed after the meetings. I never expect anybody to make a decision at the meeting. And it's an opportunity to get specific information about your precise, situation and what options are available and things you may want to consider. Angie.
You didn't answer his question.
I'm sorry, what was it? I'm 67 years old. Cut me a break. You mean the senior discount?
No, before that, he asked them to
Reverse mortgage.
I'm sorry. I got so agitated about the senior discount. I was starting to feel real nervous. Reverse mortgage it's called a reverse mortgage, but the typical mortgage, you take a big loan from the bank. So you get a $50,000 mortgage loan. You've got the $50,000, and then every month you're paying that back to the bank with interest. And it goes on for the rest of your life and most of your children's life to get it paid off. That's the typical mortgage. Reverse mortgage is used in connection with a house. If you have equity in your house, so maybe you paid off a regular mortgage years ago, you've got a $75,000 house, no mortgage. You could borrow on that equity. You get a reverse mortgage. And what it is it's like a line of credit, really. Let's say we'll give you a $50,000 reverse mortgage. That means you can start pulling out as you need it, money. And as you pull it out, there's a mortgage lien accumulating on your property. So, this is not a way of protecting assets. It's a way for seniors who want to stay home, who have very little income, and so wouldn't qualify for a regular mortgage. Both banks, if they are expecting a payment each month, they want to be sure you've got enough income and, to be sure to pay them. So the reverse mortgage allows seniors on limited income, if they have equity in the house, to get some additional money coming in. But it's going to be a lien on the house. And when you move out, like if you had to go to the nursing home, then the mortgage is called due. So the house would need to be sold to pay it off at that point. So it has its uses, but it's not really part of asset protection. Did that answer your question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is this now?
Real quick, approximately how much time would a visit with you who made an initial visit take?
Hour and a half. About the length of this talk. You can say, look, I want this real quick, just give me the basics and I'm out of here. Usually it's folks wanting to get more information and have it. So hour and a half, sometimes 2 hours. By then, at my age, I just keep talking for
Initial fee would cover that.
Yeah, that covers that. It covers the preparation here. There's all the information. I draw a picture on the board for you. You can take a picture. You bring people with you. We've had people bring friends, bring financial planners, whoever you want, children. And then I send a fairly detailed letter following up to so you've got it. You won't remember it all otherwise. And if you hire us, then that's applied towards the fee. Well, oh my goodness, what's happening to us? Yes, ma'am, back there, and then I'll get you to.
I have a lot of veterans questions I'm not going to present here, but are you well versed in the veterans benefits?
I am versed in the VA aid and attendance pension. There are lots of veterans benefits, and I'm getting into some of the others. This is for a wartime veteran, someone that didn't have to be they didn't have to be in a war zone, in combat. They just had to have at least 1 day of active duty during an official wartime period, and at least 90 days of total active duty. Or the spouse of a wartime veteran. If they're getting to the point their health is starting to decline somewhat, so they need some assistance with activities of daily living. They don't need a nursing home, but they need some care. There's a pension that will pay the vet or the spouse Well, for a spouse by herself, about $1,100 a month, for a vet by himself, about $1,700, and about close to $2,300 for the couple. And that's income tax free once you qualify. It'll pay for the rest of your life. So we do work with that particular pension. And then ma'am, at the very back.
Yes, would anything change if there was a child under the care of somebody who was going to a nursing home? Would anything change if they were the guardian of that young child?
Is it like a minor, someone under 18? No, except that there is, well, this brings up something I didn't mention. There are certain gifts that don't count. I mentioned the transferring of automobile. That doesn't create any period of ineligibility. A disabled child, that could be a child, say an adult child on Social Security disability or a younger child, transfers to a disabled child and not create any period of ineligibility. But for a minor, they can't receive money directly. It has to be an adult custodian in charge. I think that's just a practical issue. It really doesn't affect the Medicaid rules or the asset protection. But obviously, if somebody's not going to be there, somebody needs to protect that child. Okay, well...
my question is part of it. You almost answered it about the veterans. How much can you have in assets before you can apply for aid and assistance for the veterans?
Well, there's no set. Interesting that there's no... It's similar to Medicaid in some reasons. Right now, look back to it. So if you gift money out of your name, that doesn't create any delay in eligibility. You hear the number 80,000. It depends upon, there's a calculation based on your age. The idea is how much, if you have enough money, that could cover your medical expenses for the rest of your life, based on what your medical needs are now. Then, if it's more than that, you've got too much. We typically try to get people down below 80,000, maybe, and the older you are, the more we need to get you down, because you don't have that much longer to live, and you don't need that much to pay your medical expenses. So there's no simple answer like it is with Medicaid, where if it's $1 over, you got too much. But it's somewhere in that realm. Well, Melissa left. I think maybe, look, I'm happy to, I like talking about this, and I can stay here to answer some individual questions for a little bit, but I think for the good of the whole, I should, sign off. So thank you all for coming.
I think we need to have it back. What do you think? Do we have 100 more questions? That's always the trouble. He does a great job. Thank you. Thank you. We do have a survey, if you would be so kind. We'd like to send around for you to fill out if you still have your pen. Melissa's working on it, and I'm going to start passing some. It helps us to know what future speaking topics you might like to hear. Through the winter months and into spring, we like to have great education like Kemp provided tonight, so I think we'll have it back. Thank you again for coming, and we'll all be around if you have questions.